So that is it, mission accomplished. It's very impressive seeing all the people lined up at the sides of the roads. It's almost something you wouldn't see much done at home. It's been a privilege to be part of this. Thanks to the Ontario Regiment Museum for inviting me to partake.
You see the crowds we had there at Memorial Park. The look on people's face. I don't think Oshawa has seen anything like this. I don't know if Canada or maybe North America has seen anything like this. This many rumbling at the same time, going for a specific purpose. Well, thank God we did it.
Fascinating event. I don't think I'll ever see it again in my lifetime. It really was very unique.
It has been a privilege to be a part of this.
You are now an honorary lifetime member of the Ontario Regiment Museum.